In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monarch Money as zero-based budget. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple process to tell every dollar where to go each month with nothing left unassigned. Zero-based budgeting just means your planned spending, saving, and debt payments add up exactly to your monthly income, so every dollar has a job. Start by opening Monarch Money in your browser and signing in so you land on your dashboard. From there, head straight to the budget area. You'll usually find it in the main navigation. This is where Monarch shows your planned categories and how your spending compares throughout the month. Next, open the budget settings. Look for the settings or gear icon within the budget page. This is where we'll access the built-in setup flow that makes zero-based budgeting quick and consistent. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the budget walkthrough section. This guided setup is designed to help you build a complete plan from top to bottom so you don't miss anything. When you find it, select Start Setup. That launches a simple onboarding flow focused on your monthly plan. Now enter your monthly budget in every category. Think of this as giving a job to each dollar you expect to receive this month. Begin with essentials like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then include debt payments and savings goals as categories too, because in zero-based budgeting, savings and investments are planned on purpose. If you're not sure what to enter, use the average of the last 2 or 3 months as a starting point, then adjust for anything you know is coming. For irregular expenses, create a monthly amount that builds up over time, so you're ready when those costs appear. As you fill in amounts, keep an eye on your total plan to make sure it matches your expected take-home income. If the total goes over, reduce a few categories. If you have dollars left over, assign them to savings, debt payoff, or a priority that moves you forward. Aim for realistic numbers you can actually live with, and remember you can refine them later as you learn. When everything looks right and all dollars are assigned, select Save. Monarch will store your plan and bring you back to your budget view, where you can track planned versus actual spending as the month unfolds. From here, your job is to follow the plan, make adjustments if life changes, and keep every dollar working for you. That's it. You've set up Monarch Money to run a true zero-based budget. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity of a plan where every dollar has a purpose.